Colonial. And we are super excited because it's right catty corner of Dearborn, Michigan. We acquired this property pretty interestingly. We leveraged social media. A lady actually reached out to Revere Estates to discuss just doing a walkthrough and seeing what essentially the value of the property would be, and to see if we could possibly purchase it from her. She had it for about over 12 years, so it was a family home. Me and Darius visited the site and automatically was drawn to the neighborhood. We were super excited because the numbers fit. We knew that if we got it for a really good price, we could possibly walk into a deal with already about 50% in equity. And when we got there, we realized that there wasn't a lot of rehab that was needed, more so cosmetic. And we were just super excited because we were able to jump right on it.